welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him being paired to a lettuce or stuck in a Wetherspoon's toilet. He's world famous, wasn't here 4 years ago, Alan Partridge.
What on earth was that?
Have you not been watching the news, bro?
No.
This truss has been compared to a lettuce.
Actually, really?
A man got stuck in Wetherspoon's toilet for 4 minutes and was rescued by the fire brigade.
He's up on the news, isn't he? He does
And you wasn't here 4 years ago because the world went crazy.
Oh, yeah, we had one of them pandemic things, didn't we?
Oh, if you call it that, yes. Or
Yeah. Anyway, this is
biggest scam since the moon landing. But anyway, here we go. Let's get on to the real world and talk about beer.
This is my brewmaster, Dave Parrish, by the way. You've had him before. Evening, bro.
Evening, bro.
How's it going?
Well, a bit weary today, actually. I've been fencing really hard today. That's more of the business.
Hard day at work.
Hard day at work. I'm fine getting past it, I think.
You know what you need after an hard day at work?
A beer.
A beer.
And then somebody else to buy me business. So if you are in need of a fencing business, already set up with a...
With a good client basis and everything, you know. He wants to retire, bless him.
And just make beer.
And just make beer. And do videos. If somebody wants to pay us to do the videos, even better.
Or keep on sending us free stuff like that. These lovely people at Darkrock do. They sent us 2 kits this week and they're on the go. I can't tell you what they are because one of them's top secret.
Are they top secret?
No.
Top secret. Right, bro, where are we starting
We
tonight?
are going to actually start with Darkrock. Don't forget to use the code DPReview
Oh, yes.
and you'll get 10% off.
You'll get 10% off. This is Darkrock Brewing, the Session Series Citra Pale Ale.
It is indeed so, yes.
Have we done this one before, bro?
We've done this one a couple of years ago. I think it was 2022's beer kit winner.
Okay. This is obviously an extract kit, looking at this packaging.
Do you seem to remember when we made it, I claimed it to be the best one tin kit ever made on the market.
Oh dear lordy. That's a lot to live up to.
Yeah.
Just to remind you, lovely people at home, then this is a single hop addition to the Citra hops, provided to brew beer that is a light golden in colour, bursting with citrus and tropical flavours, Citra hops, profile, blah, 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 blah. Peach and apricot, apparently. Passion fruit, lemon. Tropical fruit flavours and aromas. Lovely. I've got a little box in here. Did you have to add one of these to it, bro?
You have to add one of those to it. You don't have to add that enhancer to it if you don't want to. You can actually just add sugar, get it even cheaper.
So this is Darkrock's Pale Ale Beer Kit Enhancer.
But you do get a unique blend of spray malt and sugar, and you also get with that pure brew.
Oh, right, yeah. Cool. Conditioned brewing water, boost fermentation, improve body and head retention, enhance flavour and mouthfeel. Lovely. So what do you reckon together them two cost then, bro?
I think 16, 17 quid and 6 quid. So about 22 quid-ish.
Still not bad, is it? Still not bad. Right then. Ho-ho.
And if you do take advantage of the discount code, one of my guys just ordered 4 Nectarons last time.
Excellent. 10% off. Brilliant.
Just ordered 4 Nectarons, get free delivery as well.
That, I have to say, bro, is crystal clear.
It is crystal clear.
And look at the head on that bad boy as well.
Fantastic, isn't it?
I mean, look at that. Oh, I know you're going to try to get your hands on that, aren't you? Oh,
Ho, 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 ho.
oh my. Oh. Citra.
Big bold citrus smell there going on in the background. Peachiness, apricotness, all that. There's summer in the glass.
That's gorgeous. I'm going straight in. You go in.
I am do so.
Blooming heck. There's no wonder that was brilliant. It still is.
But there's consistency for it as well, isn't there? Brilliant upon brilliant. For me personally,
Yes.
that's still one of my favourite kits and beers.
And it's a thin kit.
Yeah,
It's one of these. It's not full grain,
no.
but that does taste fantastic.
I think I ran a bar, that will be on the bar permanently.
Yeah, I mean, no, not joking aside. You could start. You wouldn't. I know it's great to have beer options, but you could drink that all night and still be very happy.
Well, I think I might.
You probably would be, by
I think I might take advantage of my unique discount code myself and order 4 more.
What if that works? But there you go. It's a 10 out of 10. It was a 10 out of 10 last time. It's 10 out of 10.
Brilliant 10 out of 10.
Fantastic.
Brilliant 10 out of 10.
Well, there you go. That was easy.
It was, wasn't it?
Now,
I'll put that down there.
we've got a couple of curveballs coming up.
Yeah, because when I don't really like adding fruit to beer.
No.
So I didn't. Even though I was supposed to.
Which one are we going for first? This
I'm going to
mango
go for
one.
the mango.
So this is Mango Pale Ale. This is one of them there no boil kits.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I was just having a little discussion with my brother before the video started, and I did say to him, "Oh, it says this kit you need 1.5 kilograms of fresh mangoes to add to it."
Yeah, I thought I'd cheat and get some mango pulp. And it does say on there.
It says fresh.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yes, I think this is where this is going to be wrong. I don't know if we're going to judge this fairly.
So this is a golden yellow, slightly hazy, creamy white head that gently disappears, apparently. It's obviously mango. A little hint of toffee and the malts. Smooth on the palate, lots of fruity mango, gentle bitterness that covers the tongue with a balance and light sweetness. It's 4.5%.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
This is a $32.95.
Yep.
It's an all grain. Oh, say it's an all grain kit, but it's one of these no boil jobs as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So it just cuts the your brew dough down by about 2 hours. You just mash, raise the temperature about 80, put some hops in. There you go. What it did say to do was put fresh mangoes in 4 days later into the fermentation, because there still should be enough yeast to eat the fruit and then add the flavour. I'll put mango pulp in. So we'll see if it's worked. Can't smell much mango. No.
I mean, there's a little bit, but it's not.
A little bit.
It's probably not nowhere near as much as it should be.
Nowhere near.
Oh.
Should we go in?
I don't know if I want to. This doesn't smell really anything, does it? I'm going in.
No, it worked.
To be honest, it doesn't really taste of anything.
I'm just getting a lot of dryness.
A lot of dryness. Yeah, it's
which they probably put in to compensate for the sweetness of the mango.
Funny enough, it's not horrible and it's not off or anything. It just doesn't taste as much, does it?
No, it doesn't taste so much, and it tastes way too dry.
It's got no nose.
So, to be fair, I'm not going to judge this because
it'd be unfair. I mean, it's very bitter. There's a little bit of that mango dryness stuck in your face, a tiny bit. But I'm with my brother. I don't think we can really judge that because
follow the instructions.
He didn't follow
Lesson
the instructions.
from the dog and partridge. Don't think you can cheat and get away with it because you can't. This guy knows what he was doing. These other kids were fantastic.
Yeah, well, okay. So we'll try that again at some point in time, no doubt.
We'll try again. He's going to bring some more no-ball kits out. So I'll redo that again, and I will follow the instructions a little bit more close to the nail.
Okie dokie. Where was that one from, by the way?
That's from Brewbitz.
Oh, that's from Brewbitz, that was it. So, third beer then, bro.
Yeah, we're going over to Brew Brothers.
This was from Brew Brothers, was it?
Yes.
Right, so this is a tribute to Omnipollo.
I'm glad you're here.
Omnipollo. Omnipollo. I'm going to go for that. I've not heard of that, so you'll have to forgive me. Original double raspberry ice cream. Having a beer or we haven't some ice cream. All grain clone beer kit, Brew Brothers. This is $39.99 apparently. You're
fairly dear to start with because there's quite a bit of grain in it because it does produce 6%. But then you've got to go down your local shop, and I did actually do this.
Oh, you did this one right, did you?
Did this one right. I bought 1.5 kilos of fresh raspberries.
Oh, by heck, this is going to be a raspberry.
You do get some strange looks in the supermarket if you buy 1.5 kilos of fresh raspberries because you just buy the shelf, basically.
Just dump them into your trolley. Right. Great intro to smoothie milkshake style IPA. I can honestly say I've not really had any of that sort of style IPAs before, I don't think.
No, I think it's in these cans, a bit crafty.
Yeah.
Probably good down south where these guys are from.
Omnipollo are masters of this style, and this is one of their lovely and fruity thanks to the raspberries. The sharpness, acidity of the fruit, smoothed out by the vanilla.
Oh yes, that's another thing you need.
Okay.
Vanilla pods.
Oh, vanilla pods as well. Sounds like, so not only is it 40 quid, you've got to go and buy a load of raspberries and some vanilla pods.
Well, about 12 quid's worth of raspberries and some vanilla pods.
So it's starting to creep up into quite an expensive beer. Yeah. It does brew to 6%, it says on there.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Let's see if all that effort's worth it.
Okie dokie. Rightio then.
Should be a nice pinky red colour.
It kind of is. It's certainly got a pink hue to it.
Yeah. Probably not as pink as I'd like. Come on,
there's a huge whiff of raspberries, but I don't know if raspberries smell of anything, do they?
Raspberries are horrible, aren't they?
I quite like raspberries.
That woman in the supermarket said, "Do you like raspberries?" I went, "No, I can't stand them. I don't mind the flavour, but I can't stand raspberries themselves."
Little seeds getting his teeth.
I like that.
I mean, there's not a lot of notes to that at all, really.
No, there isn't, is there?
So I can't really tell you about that. I mean, it looks probably like it should probably look like.
Yeah.
Shall we dive in?
Shall we go in?
Oh, by heck. Well, that's a bit all right.
That's glorious.
That's weird.
Oh, you've got loads of going on now. I've got a smash of vanilla, then the sweetness and the...
Oh, you see, I thought that was going to be super sharp. But it's not it.
No.
Oh, now I'm getting the raspberries. Oh, now I'm getting the raspberries.
And then mixed in with the creaminess and the milkiness. It's like...
Yeah, I'd say firstly you get the creaminess and the milkness, and then give it a few seconds, then you get the raspberries.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
It's unbelievable.
I'm quite surprised at that.
You're shocked, aren't you?
I am actually shocked. I was all prepared to spit that out across the room. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
I love the way it still tastes like a milkshake from ice cream.
I mean, a lot of people might say we're going too far with the beers, with the milkshakes and the raspberries and all that, but it's still beer at the end of the day.
It's still beer, and you've still got the dryness from some hops that go in there as well.
Yes.
Quite a lot of hops, if I remember rightly.
Well, yeah.
But it just tastes like I'm sat on the beach drinking alcoholic ice cream.
It does a little bit. But I'm going to go for a good old solid 10.
Another solid 10.
Because it's a fantastic beer.
Fantastic beer, guys.
There you go. So that's 2 10s.
And you've changed our scope across, you know.
That's fantastic.
Thoughts
I
on
really
beer.
like that. I didn't think I would like that. That's 2 10s and a miss because somebody messed up the brewing.
Don't talk about
Well, I think we should just whiz through them, haven't we, bro? Shall we see what's coming next time in the D&P? So we've got a malt millet dry stout.
Now, it is a dry stout with a little bit of catch. Because again, I haven't followed the instructions.
It doesn't learn, does it?
Well, I did.
Learn.
It's just basically a dry stout. So it's basically just an everyday recipe, one of their true to star ranges.
Oh, yeah.
But I thought I'd add a little bit of orange extract to it. But I haven't put orange stout in case it's not, in case it hasn't worked. And it'll still be a dry stout.
That's a little bit complicated, but we'll see on the next video. Brew Brothers Clockwork Tangerine.
Yeah.
Now I'm guessing that has got some orange in it.
Yeah, you've got some orange extract, you see. Now, this is where it all comes in. I had to buy orange extract for the Clockwork Tangerine. And I was making dry stout at the same time.
So he threw some in there as well. Great.
You know what? Why not?
Why not? And Morgan's Draft.
And Morgan's Draft. Now, Morgan, it's a one tin kit from those guys in Australia.
That's the Australian guys I was about to say. Yeah.
Just like to say all our deepest thoughts with those people in Australia after that terrible incident the other day.
Terrible.
But this is one of their one tin kits, and
Yeah.
so we'll get it, try it.
Lovely.
It's just called Draft.
Fantastic.
I don't know what draft means in Australia. It's not probably the same as what it does here.
It might do, you never know.
Yeah.
What was that? Was Castlemaine 4X in its day? Was that draft? What they call draft?
I think you just swore then in the bar. There's no swearing allowed in the bar.
What? Castlemaine 4X. Anyway, if you're watching this on any other platform, get on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and comment away.
Yep. And thank you very much to those guys watching us, and do comment.
Oh, yes, thank you very much for the lovely comments, yeah.
And I think it's about time. It's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the kick!
Okay.